This part of my workshop has gotten out of hand lately. It wasn't as bad as this here. This was stacked up against this wall and I've pulled it back out to reorganise it. I started putting these planks in here and then I thought I should probably build a rack along this wall similar to that one over there. So that's what I'm going to do today, and why not make a video while I do it. The new rack is going to be a little bit different to this one. This has got construction pine in the middle sandwiched by 2 pieces of plywood, and then it's screwed to the upright at the back there, which is construction pine as well. But the problem with this one is 6 inches deep at the back, and that takes up quite a lot of room. But it's very strong and it's been up here years and it hasn't budged, so it does work. But the new ones I'm only going to make a couple of inches deep, so they won't take up so much space. And the other thing is this one comes out 500mm and I'm only going to come out 400mm, so there'll be less force going on the end of it as well. So it should be plenty strong enough. The supports need to be strong and hardwood would be the best choice. I'm going to make them out of this blackbutt decking timber, and because it's decking timber it's rounded over on the edges and that's not ideal for this purpose. So the first job is run it through the table saw and take off both of these edges. This should give you an idea what I'm trying to do. I've got these pieces here that are forming the uprights. This will be the bottom and that one is a little bit bigger than the rest of them. And they sandwich the shelf supports here, and I've cut those at 60mm and these are around 80mm. So the next job then is to cut 2 strips of plywood for each section, and they will go either side of this upright here and sandwich it. And what I'll do is nail and glue those together, and I reckon that should be plenty strong enough. First of all, I'm just going to take a little bit off the underside of all these shelf supports. The fixing at the bottom, I'm going to go straight into this lip of the steel here, and look what I've got here. What do you reckon to that? Not a very big one, but there we go, a little snake. Now that the bottom's fixed and it's upright, I can put a second one into the lower block here.